back to the channel, everyone. In this episode we're going to look at how we mount this hangboard into our conversion.
So hang around to see us do just that.
To mount the hangboard, we've got this big piece of wood down there, and the plan is to try and screw that into the ceiling ribs inside the van. And we've got these joist hanger things, so they go on like that. So we're just going to trim this down so it sits at the right height.
Alright.
In.
Hey.
Right, next bracket. Cool. Right, so that's in there like that.
There we go. 1, 2.
And that is how that's going to hold all my weight. Maybe once there's a few more screw holes in.
A few more screws.
Alright, let's get the wood chopped down to size. Here you do Oopsie doopsie.
We've just cut down the support batten for the hangboard. So this thing standing up there. And we're going to attempt to mount it between those two brackets.
Our two brackets are up. We've got the laser out again. Hopefully you can see that. Just so we can hopefully then level it to our piece of wood.
Hey.
There's 2 in.
Hey.
Oh god, oh no. Oh god, where's that gone? That has gone
Into the...
straight into the channel for the door. Right, you hold the door because I can't get it out.
After finally fishing that screw out of the door channel, we discovered the hangboard was a little bit wobbly, so we started mounting some angle brackets to help brace it. I'll give it a hang. Can you give it a hang? I'm not worried.
I'm very worried.
I'm marginally worried, but I'm not that worried. I mean, if it falls, I'm not that worried I'm going to hurt myself. Yeah?
Supposedly so, yeah. Somehow. By some miracle.
Yeah. And again! It's about the 5th time screws have been dropped today.
So these joist hangers are obviously screwed into the wood, and we've got 3 self-tapping screws each side up there. And then just to finish it off and add a bit more support, we've put these angle brackets on the back because it could move kind of left and right or front to back.
We're now looking at mounting that hangboard up on our support beam. We've got this plank here, and then we've just popped the hangboard on it and drawn around the edges, and then the plan is to jigsaw this shape out, and hopefully that will then mean that we have the hangboard sitting basically perfectly up here. We've marked where the pilot holes are going to go for our hangboard, so we can screw it in.
We've got these very long 3-inch screws, so they will go in the 6 pre-designated mounting points on the hangboard. Now we've done the pilot hole, it should be a case of just driving them home.
Driving home for Christmas.
It's not Christmas.
I can't wait to see their faces.
Pete said too.
If you are wondering what these 2 holes are, they are from a previous way we had this mounted when we were living in a flat. Ah, look at the finger strength. It's unreal. Adamondra who?
She's going for the slopers.
Going for the slopers. It's been a
She's
while.
going to fall off. It's going to hurt.
It's a damp day.
Mind yourself. Look at that.
That's the hangboard fully mounted. We really wanted this in the van for rainy days and particularly if we ever need to recover from an injury. So we're really happy we managed to get it up in the end. That's everything for this week. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next Thursday for another video.
Oh, bloody ladybird on the roof. 108. 108. 108. Ow.
Are you okay?
Yes, what was that? Wires. Laser. Balls. Because I can't. Ow.
Yeah.